Welcome to the Quiz World HQ. Test your knowledge level with these 35 mind-blowing general knowledge questions. Let's see how much you score. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct! The Antarctic desert, though covered in ice, is classified as the largest desert due to its extremely low precipitation levels. Which of these birds is unable to fly? That's right! The ostrich is the largest flightless bird, known for its incredible running speed. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Excellent! Mars is called the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide on its surface. Guess the city. Excellent! The Eiffel Tower is an iconic landmark of Paris. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Correct! Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius under standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Which of these monuments is located in India? Correct! The Qutub Minar, located in Delhi, India, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. Which country hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896? Well done! The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece, to honor the origins of the ancient Olympics. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Awesome! The stapes, located in the middle ear, is the smallest bone in the human body. Who played the role of Thanos in Avengers? Excellent! Josh Brolin played the character of Thanos in Marvel's Avengers. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? Excellent! The ancient Egyptians constructed the pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs and queens. Guess the historical figure. Excellent! Mahatma Gandhi was a key figure in India's independence movement and is recognized globally for his principles of non-violence. What is the official language of Brazil? That's right! Portuguese is the official language of Brazil due to its history as a Portuguese colony. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Well done! Lions are often called the king of the jungle due to their regal appearance and status as top predators. Who painted the famous artwork The Starry Night? Well done! Vincent van Gogh painted The Starry Night in 1889 while staying at a mental asylum in France. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Awesome! Guacamole is a Mexican dish primarily made from mashed avocados, often mixed with lime and spices. Which of these paintings was created by Leonardo da Vinci? That's right! The Mona Lisa is one of the most famous artworks in the world. Who is known as the father of the computer? Correct! Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer, earning him the title Father of the Computer. What is this object? Correct! A sundial is an ancient instrument used to tell time based on the position of the sun. What is the capital of Australia? That's right! Despite Sydney and Melbourne being more well-known, Canberra is the official capital of Australia. Which of these flags belongs to Japan? Excellent! The Japanese flag, known as Nishoki, features a red circle symbolizing the sun on a white background. Who wrote the Harry Potter book series? Correct! J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter series, which became one of the best-selling book series of all time. Which gas do plants primarily use for photosynthesis? That's right! Plants use carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water to perform photosynthesis and produce oxygen. Which of these animals is a marsupial? Correct! Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning they carry and nurse their young in a pouch. Who discovered the law of gravity? That's right! Isaac Newton formulated the law of universal gravitation after observing a falling apple. Guess the animal. That's right! Zebras are known for their unique black and white striped pattern, which helps them camouflage in grasslands. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Well done! The blue whale is the largest mammal, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing over 200 tons. Which of these structures is located in Egypt? Well done! The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Which country is known as the Land of the Rising Sun? Correct! Japan is called the Land of the Rising Sun because it is located east of China, where the sun rises. What is the primary unit of currency in the United Kingdom? That's right! The United Kingdom uses the pound sterling as its official currency. Which of these animals can change its color? Correct! Chameleons can change the color of their skin to camouflage or regulate body temperature. Which of these is a famous temple in Cambodia? Excellent! Angkor Wat is a massive temple complex in Cambodia and one of the largest religious monuments in the world. Who invented the telephone? Awesome! Alexander Graham Bell invented the first practical telephone in 1876. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Correct! An octopus has 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Guess the country. Well done! The maple leaf is a national symbol of Canada, prominently featured on its flag. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Excellent! Oxygen, a vital element for life, is represented by the symbol O on the periodic table. Comment down your scores and suggest us that what topic should our next quiz cover. Subscribe for more weekly fun quizzes like this, and press the bell icon for not missing even a single quiz. Go and share these quizzes to your friends and families too.